Hi, this is Iftikhar Ahmed. Welcome to my channel. It's my first video, so I need your support to continue this in future. Well, I searched in YouTube regarding the IPO summary or technical valuation of the companies, but unfortunately I found nothing. So I thought of making a video to help you understand the IPO summary, basic details, technical valuation of the company. ADES prospectus have 552 pages. If someone wants to read, good luck with that. Please make note, I take no responsibility of information provided in this video. So I request you to seek professional advice before investing. Without wasting further time, let's kickstart with IPO summary. ADES holding company is coming to the main market. The Dawul offering shares is 338 million. Offering date 26 September 2023. Closing date 28 September 2023. Company's main address based in Al Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Ownership structure of the company before and after the offering. ADES Investment Holding Limited, pre-offering 54.5%, post-offering 36.5%, public investment fund, ownership 35.5%, pre-offering, post-offering 23.8%. In Zamil Investment 10%, pre-offering and post-offering 6.7%. Treasury shares 3%, public or post-offering will be 30%. Announcement for final allocation of the shares will be 4th October 2023. Refund of excess subscriptions will be on 10th of October 2023. Expected date for commencement of the trading on the exchange will be announced later. Company overview. Was company established in 28th of December 2022 as Southeast Mixed Stock Joint Company owned by ADES Investment Holding, public investment firm, Zamil Group Investment Limited under the commercial registration dated corresponding to 28 December 2022, issued in Al Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Company's main activities: managing its subsidiaries, investing the funds of its subsidiaries, owning the properties and movables necessary to carry out its activities, providing loans, guarantees and financing to its subsidiaries, owning industrial property rights of the subsidiaries and leasing industrial properties to the subsidiaries or third parties. The group main activities are as follows: contracting services for excavation and maintenance of onshore and offshore wells, services related to oil extraction, excavation and onshore and offshore maintenance services, provision of contracted offshore and onshore excavation services, provision of maintenance and production services. Market overview. Oil and gas will continue to play a critical role in global energy supply over the coming decade, driving increased demand for both offshore and onshore drilling services, driven primarily by growing population and increasing energy intensity per capita across Asian economies such as China, India, and Indonesia. Global consumption of oil and gas is expected to increase from 168 million barrel equivalent per day in 2022 to 179 million barrel equivalent per day by 2030, an increase of 7%. Meeting this level of demand will require significant amount of investing into the drilling services, not only to deliver the incremental 11 million barrel equivalent per day of demand, but more importantly to replace the estimated 551 million barrel equivalent per day of oil and gas production that will be lost to natural decline over this period. The impact of natural decline creates a constant requirement of drilling services just to maintain existing levels of production. Number of jacks across the ADES target geographics, number of rigs and jacks. ADES have the number of rigs is 46 and jacks 31. ADNOC drilling have the rigs 32 and jacks 22. And likewise, shelf drilling, ARO drilling, Arabian drilling, COSL, GDI, ONGC, Egyptian drilling, Saipem, Jindal, also miscellaneous have the rigs and jacks. Risk related to the group's business and operation. For the group's service depends on the level of business activity in oil and gas exploration, as on the development and production activities in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Egypt, Qatar, and India, Algeria, Tunisia, where the group's customer base currently operates. If the group expands its operation beyond the market in which it currently operates, namely in the rest of the Middle East and North Africa region, or in another market where it has a pre-qualification status, the demand for the group services will also be subject to the level of business activity in oil and gas exploration and development and production activities in such other markets. Executive summary or conclusion. Oil and gas will continue to play a critical role in global energy supply over the coming decade, driving increasing demand for both offshore and onshore drilling services. Drilling driven primarily by a growing of population and increasing energy intensity per capita across Asian economies such as in China, India, Indonesia. Global consumption of oil is expected to increase 7% to 12%, and oil demand is expected to reach 20%, and oil and gas expected to reach around 40% annual increase. Allocation of the group's rig fleet as of 1st February: Tunisia, Algeria, Egypt, KSA, Kuwait, Qatar, India. Receiving agents: SNB Bank, Al Raji Bank, Riyadh Bank, ANB Bank. Technical valuation: company market cap is around 15.2 billion real. IPO price subjected to be 12.5 or 13.5. Total issued shares 1.1 billion shares. Debt per share is 9.3 real. Debt or loan 10.5 billion real. PS ratio is 6.1. Debt to equity ratio is 5.4. PB ratio is 6.74. Debt ratio is 0.84. Book value per share is 2. Net profit margin is 19.48%. Return on asset is 2.69. Return on equity 21.28%. PE ratio is 31.7. Price to free cash flow ratio is 17.8. EV to EBITDA is 54.6. Net profit year on increase between 21 to 22 is 23%, and net profit year on increase 2022 is 42.97. Best buying price according to me, by considering the other competitors in the Gulf region, which will be around 6.2 to 8 real. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand basic details of the company and to invest with peace of mind. Please like and subscribe so I can continue the work on upcoming IPO company. Sal. Bye bye.